Y'all, it's some new updates in these Facebook streets to help you get that money with your Facebook Reels. If you're ready to know how to get that money and you're ready to hear those updates, stay tuned. Hey y'all, it's your girl cynmarie and I'm back with another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. If you've been rocking with your girl for a minute, what is up? And in today's video, I will be telling y'all the new update that Facebook has launched out. And guess what? It's super good news for us. Yes, thanks to a few of my future millionaire subscriber friends. Baby, they did their research. They got on it. Thank you to all of y'all, because y'all are the ones who really put me up on this, and I appreciate that. So thank you, thank you, thank you. So today I will be sharing the information that our future millionaires have sent over to your girls. Wait, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so as we all know, in the past, Facebook Reels has been invite only. Well, thankfully, the rules have changed, and it's going to help all of us out in a better way. All you have to have is 5 Reels with 100K views within the last 30 days. Not each Reel with 100K, a total of 100K views within the past 30 days. But you have to have 5 or more Reels in order to be able to get into the program. Now, at this point, I'm not sure if you have to sign up, but I personally, if you haven't signed up, I will go ahead and sign up. That gives them the woohoo, yes, I'm interested in the program. I'm not for sure if you have to sign up, but me personally, I will go ahead and sign up to let them know. Go ahead and get a jump on it and let them know, hey, I want to be a part of this program. It's not a bad idea to go ahead and sign up. Another great thing about this update is, I know previously when you received your invite for Facebook Reels, all your Reels that you had before the invite did not count towards your money. You had to start, once you received the invite, every video that you placed after your invite, you received money for that. But sounds like with this new update, your Reels within the last 30 days is going to go towards that, which is great. Great. Now, I don't know if they're going to change the amount of money that you get per views or how many views, because as of right now, it's 40 cents for each 1,000 view you receive. That's how it's going now. I'm not sure if you have to get this amount of views to get this amount of money, or you'll get this amount of money for this amount of views. That I'm not sure about yet. They have not been like specific on everything yet. But that is basically what I know so far about how things will be rolling out within the next week. As of right now, it's US based only. It's for the US only right now. I guess they're trying to see how it's going to work and how it's going to play out. Now, also, I do not know if the bonus amount will be the same. I know right now there's a 500 bonus, there's a 1,200 bonus, there's a $35,000 bonus, and I have also seen people with $34,000 bonus. So I'm not sure if the bonus amounts will be the same for the new update, because like I said, they're a little bit tight-lipped on how things are going to play out. I don't even know if they really know how they're going to play it right now. All I know is you just need to have 5 Reels with over 100K views within the last 30 days. I mean, that's great for a lot of people. That's wonderful for a lot of people. Now, don't forget, the rules are the same when it comes to the type of videos that you can make. Make sure you do not use any copywritten music. Make sure you do not use any copywritten content. Make sure the watermark is off of your videos, because you will not get paid for that. I have seen people with 1 million views, 6 million views, but the copyright, the little logo was on there, and no money. And I do not want that for any of us. I want all of us to win. I want all of us to make money. So I'm telling you now, make sure you use non-copywritten music. You can go on YouTube, type in non-copywritten music, or you can use music that is on the Facebook Reels program. They have music on there that you're able to use. So use that. And make sure if you use TikTok, take that watermark off. I also know that sometimes Facebook will let you know, hey, We're taking this sound off because it's copyright music. Sometimes they will let you know. They will let you know, which is great, so that you can choose to take the video down, or you can leave it on with no sound and you'll still get your views that way. But they will take that music off if it's a copywriting thing, and you just don't want to get involved in that. So the best thing to do is just to use non-copyright music or music that they have on their Facebook app. That's fine. So I hope that this video was helpful to you. I know I don't have the meat and the potatoes of everything, and I want it so bad so I can help y'all, but they just give me a little bit. The articles are spitting out little bitty pieces of everything. You know, I want it all, but you know, you can't have it all because they don't know it all yet. So when they know, you'll know. When they know, I know, you'll know. I'll spread it along to y'all because, baby, we all going to get this money. It's so much money. Facebook is spitting this money out like hotcakes. I mean, literally, like, you can make more on Facebook than YouTube, but you ain't heard that from me. If you have any questions, please leave them below. I will get back with you as soon as I can. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because if you got this for, your girl can at least get a like. Can I at least get a like if you got this for? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl cynmarie is out. Now, don't forget to go sign up if you haven't. If you have, look out for your invite. Well, not invite. I don't know how they gonna do it, but yeah.